The work that we do here is the biggest servicing that the aircraft has throughout its life. It's really nice to know that we're doing that for the customer and ultimately for the country as well.
Growing up, I've always been working on stuff with my hands, everything from cars to motorbikes to boats. As I sort of got out of school and I was looking for a career path, I came across aircraft maintenance and I thought, let's give this a shot, something different. Best decision I made.
When you see a finished product go out and it's looking really, really good, it's awesome knowing that you're the one who's been working on them, swinging spinners.
We'll receive the aircraft from the Navy, we'll strip the aircraft, inspect, and then we'll repair anything that needs repairing, rebuild the aircraft, test it, and then deliver it back to the Navy.
I really enjoy the flight line phase. It's a bit more fast-paced in terms of tempo, but you're out there whilst they're turning and burning. It's a really unique environment to be in. We've got a pretty good team where you've got heaps of people that can be your sounding board.
It's really easy to just walk in and connect and join in on conversations and groups, and you find it's a lot easier when you work with like-minded people.
It's a big hangar, but it's a small hangar. Everyone knows your name. At any level, your input is respected, which is nice as well. I've always lived in the Shoalhaven. I was born here. People come here for holidays, so I think it's special that I get to live here.
You've got the best opportunities to go do what you enjoy. With my current work arrangements, having a 3-day weekend, I'm able to get out into the bush, do a lot of forward driving, do a lot of camping.
I've had a bit of an opportunity to dabble in both a 4.5-day week and a 4-day week. It's super flexible. You have 3-day weekends. It's really good to work around with the kids and everything as well.
I like coming into work because it's completely different. Your skills and knowledge that you get about a lot of things from different tools to test equipment is far beyond what other people get taught. There's plenty of paths that you can take to grow into what you want to be. You become an all-round better tradesman working on aircraft.
I think the coolest thing about my job is the aircraft that I work on. They're a really cool aircraft. It's cool knowing what the company's doing for the Navy and what the aircraft's role is for Australia. So it's nice to know that we're making all that happen.